Hey guys, Bill Soriano here, and I wanted to make a quick video just to show you one way that our community is using our new proprietary ATH indicator to take trades with. And the first thing I want to mention is the ATH indicator is not a signal service of any kind. We don't take the trade just because the indicator paints. The indicator does not repaint, by the way. Once the candle closes, it does not repaint. So a couple people have asked that question, but it will come on and off while the candle is forming. So you have to wait for the candle to close with the indicator present as the confirmation to take the trade. Now we're using it just as a confirmation tool. So everything that we look for in the community has to line up. We look for our two patterns, the box trade, the signature pattern, the only two patterns you'll ever need to know to be successful trading Forex. We look for our two patterns. We look for banker candles, break of structure. We check the Fibonacci ratios, and we look for overall trend before we decide to take a trade. Then once all the conditions are there to take the trade, then we wait for a confirmation. And the ATH indicator could be one such confirmation. It's not the only one that we use. Some people use it, some people don't. It's just one that we can use as a confirmation saying it's safe to take the trade. So what I did was I was looking at AUDCHF, I call Odd Chef here, and I was on the 4-hour chart here, and I'm in Trading View right now. That's what we use to mark up the charts. Of course, we use MT4 or MT5 to take the trades. Our ATH indicator does work on MT4 and MT5, but it's not currently working in Trading View. However, it will be soon. So I found this area of consolidation here. So this is a box pattern or a box trade as we call it. There's consolidation, there's a big move down, and then we wait for it to come back to what we call this banker candle right here, which is the last up candle in this case before the down move. Okay, now in the opposite scenario, it would be the last down candle before an up move. But in this case right here, this is our banker candle on the 4-hour chart. So I have that marked here, and I did send an alarm there. Okay, and then once earlier today, this alarm did go off. As you could see right here, this candle right here came up and touched that, went through it a little bit. That caused the alarm to go off, telling me, hey, you got to go check Odd Chef, not OddCAD, to see if you can get a confirmation to take the trade, the sell trade down. So what I normally will do in that case is I'll go down to the 1-hour chart, and I'll look. This is our 4-hour banker candle right here. This is where our entry would be. This is where our stop loss would be based on that 4-hour candle. But what I'm looking for, I would normally look for some type of confirmation. Like right here, if I didn't have the ATH, I would look for a 2x2. So I might look for this to move down, retrace, and then move down again and break this internal structure right here. That would tell me that there's a good chance that this could move down now. Because right now you see on the 1-hour chart, it's basically in an uptrend. So it can just drop down to here, and then it can just continue upwards, right? And go right through. So we don't just want to take the trade because the banker candle was hit. So we look for a confirmation. One such confirmation, like I said, could be a 2x2. The 2x2 is just 1, 2. It's just a move down with a retracement, and then another move down, breaking this internal structure right here, right, with another retracement. Okay, and then I would look for this to flag up, hopefully to a banker candle up in this area here before dropping down. Okay, so that's kind of what I would normally look for. Now, in this scenario, what happened was the ATH indicator went off on this candle right here, on this 1-hour candle right here. So instead of having to wait for my 2x2 confirmation, I was on my MT4 here, and this is right here. This is Odd Chef. It's the 4-hour candle, right? 4-hour chart, and then here's the hourly chart, and right here is where I got the ATH confirmation right here that it was safe to take the trade. So I did go ahead and take this trade, right? It's currently just up a couple pips. What happened was it moved down as you could see, and now it is starting to retrace back up. So hopefully this is just a retracement back up to this area before it drops further down. And I would look to target these lows down here as my take profit. Okay, so this is just one way that we use the ATH indicator in our community. Again, it's used as a confirmation tool only. See, you see all these arrows going off here. We just don't take these trades because the arrow paints, right? We have to have everything else line up, and then this is just a final confirmation that allows us to take the trade. Other confirmations I just showed you, like a 2x2 with a move back to a banker candle, or double mitigation is another confirmation that we use. You can get all this information if you get your free week of training with our community. So if you're interested in that, click the link down below this video or comment down below this video, and I will tell you how to get your free week of training with our community. Till next time, have a great day. It's Bill Soriano from Pittsburgh. Have a great day.